Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Path to Perfection. Today we are going to make a very beautiful and very easy to make butterfly bookmark with just a piece of paper. See how it looks on the paper. It is very easy to use. Guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and press the bell icon to get notifications about new updates. It looks very pretty. So let's get started. For this, we need a sheet of paper with the specified dimensions, that is 11:7. See how to fold it. You have to fold all the foldings very firmly to get very crisp foldings. Now you can see we have a line in the center. We have to fold from the corner up to the center line, like this. Do the same for the second part, like this. Open it. Now from this side, if you push it a little bit, the paper will go inside easily. Press it down. Do the same for the second part. Now you have to fold it as shown. Take these two and just press them. Now we have to fold from this point up to this point. Similarly for this side also. Now from this side, when you push it, it will go inside. Press it. From this side also. Now you have to hold it like this and push this paper downward and adjust the wing of your butterfly like this. From this side also. Now we are done with our paper butterfly. It's the time to decorate it. I have taken a marker and I will draw boundaries for it like this. I have drawn the boundaries from black marker. Now you can use any color of your choice to decorate it. I have done this for these two butterflies. For making this bigger butterfly, you can use a paper with the same ratio we have used. You can use this to decorate your projects also. Now I am showing you how to use it in your notebooks. You can see there is a pocket at the back side of butterfly. What you have to do is to just insert the page in that pocket like this. You can make these butterflies very easily and in very less time. If you like the video, please press the like button and share this video with your friends. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See how easily you can get to know where your marks are. Thank you.